Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Audi A1 Sportback. This is the 30 TFSi 110 Sport model. See, 5-door S-Tronic. Car was first registered 30th of May 2022. Just the one owner from new, with a mileage a fraction over 51,000 miles. Finished in Mazzano red. The car benefits from an excellent service history, 4 services in total, 3 done by Audi and the last one done at the end of August 2026 at 51,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 29th of May 2027 with no real advisories. It was just a mention of under trace fitted, which obviously all vehicles have. Good set of tyres on the front and the back. Arrow speeds 4 and 5.5 mil on the front and 4 and 5 mil on the rear. It's a ULEZ compliant car. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 48.7. This A1 is in super condition inside and out. Obviously mechanically excellent service history. Also benefits from a number of nice factory options. The Plus Pack, the comfort and sound package, as well as a space saver spare wheel with a toolkit and jack. Standard specification includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto facility, electric folding dimming wing mirrors, front and rear parking sensor. The camera is option as part of one of the packs, as is the lane assist. AM/FM radio, as well as DAB, twin USB input, voice control, Sonos speakers, LED daytime running lights and high beam assist make up what is an excellent level of specification. This A1 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. The car has both keys, full set of tailored carpet mats, locking wheel bolts present, along with the book pack. Thank you for watching this video. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch by calling the office, sending us an email, or please do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find information regarding warranties. There's a part exchange page, customer testimonials, reservation facility, as well as the ability to apply for a low rate loan online using the interactive finance calculator. Thank you for watching this video.